Y'all tell me these do not look good. Look at these. I mean golden, stacked, and breakfast perfection. These are sausage, egg, and hash brown McMuffins that I meal prepped, wrapped, and froze so my husband can grab one and go in the mornings. And trust me, they taste just as good as they look. These are perfect for that busy morning. Once you've wrapped and froze, all you have to do is reheat and go. No skipping breakfast. No stopping for fast food, and it saves so much time during the week. And this right here, y'all, is my new toy. I picked this professional countertop griddle up, and I am already obsessed with it. It gives me so much space to cook everything at once, which makes meal prep way easier. So y'all, let's start with those hash